Hi everybody. A viewer asked me a question about the Zoom plugin for Unreal Engine where they were getting a redirect URL error when initializing. So I can just quickly show, I think this is what they're running into. If I hit login now, I have it deliberately set incorrectly. I hit login and I get an invalid redirect. So I can show how to fix that. So basically when you're setting up the Unreal Engine plugin, first thing you need to do is go into the Zoom Marketplace for your account and set up a developer app for your plugin. So if I switch to my record, okay, so in that record, you go to manage and you'll see the list of your app names, and you click on the app name, and then you scroll down a little bit, and this is where we have this O authorization redirect URL. So you're supposed to set this to a URL that you have control over. So I've done that. However, I haven't matched that in the plugin yet, and that's where that error is coming from. So where do we do that? In our project content, we should have a user interface folder. Double click in there. And from there, we want to go into the init package authorization widget. Double click on that. You'll be in designer mode by default. And so we'll go to graph mode. And here, what we want to do is find the redirect URL value in the graph for this. So I have this incorrectly set. I will now set this to match what I have in my marketplace setup, and Control S, save, compile, close, and now I should be able to launch and log in, and I am not getting that error. I'm logged in, and I can start the Zoom plugin, and I should get an initialize indicator here after that all works. There we go. So I'm up and running. So if you run into that error, that's what it is. It's something you configured yourself, and you just want to make sure that the URL you're using is a website under your control. Hope this helps. Until next time, have fun.